On the Great Falls Clinic iCam, it was a beautiful day today. We had mostly sunny skies and dry conditions throughout the day. And for a lot of us, we had a lot of sunshine today. But there were a few areas, especially in southwestern Montana, where there was some dense fog around today. There is a dense fog advisory in effect for the Gallatin Valley, Bozeman, and Belgrade, and really I-90 between Butte and Bozeman, as well as Highway 287 through Townsend, as well as Canyon Ferry up towards the Helena area. This is in effect until 3 a.m. on Fridays. Visibility at and or below a half mile is possible in dense fog. High pressure was in control of our weather today, which is why we had beautiful weather, but there is some moisture off to our northwest, and this is all associated with a larger storm system that is going to be working its way through Montana later tomorrow through this weekend, bringing another round of gusty to strong winds as well as more precipitation. As we go through tonight, we are going to have increasing clouds and it will continue to be dry. Some patchy dense fog is also possible tonight. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy to overcast throughout the day. A few rain and sun showers are possible east of the Continental Divide. Most of us will be dry. As we head into the afternoon and the evening, some snow and rain will become more widespread in western Montana. Heading into tomorrow night, that's when there are going to be areas of precipitation around within north central and central Montana. The precipitation may start out as rain or freezing rain, but it will eventually switch over to all snow for most of us. And some of the snow may be heavy at times, especially in the mountains. And then as we go through this weekend, there will be scattered snow showers around throughout the weekend within central and north central Montana. In the mountains within central and north central Montana, a steady, moderate to heavy snow is expected for much of this weekend with some significant snow accumulations possible. Winter weather alerts are in effect for portions of central and eastern Montana. Winter storm watch is in effect for southeastern Montana. There's also winter weather advisory in effect for the lower elevations within north central Montana, including Fergus County, Judith Basin County, and Cascade County, as well as portions of south central Montana from 5 p.m. tomorrow or midnight tomorrow night through 5 p.m. on Saturday. 1 to 4 inches of snow accumulation in the lower elevations, up to 8 inches of snow accumulation in northerly upslope areas, including Lewistown, and then 4 to 9 inches of snow accumulation in some of the mountains within central and southwestern Montana. There's also winter weather advisory in effect for northeastern Montana from 5 p.m. tomorrow through 11 a.m. on Saturday for up to 1 inch of snow accumulation as well as a light glaze of ice. And there is a winter storm warning in effect for the mountains within central and north central Montana from 5 p.m. tomorrow until 5 p.m. on Saturday, as 7 to 14 plus inches of snow accumulation is expected. In the lower elevations, most of us will receive between a coating and 3 inches of snow accumulation through Saturday evening. But again, in the northerly upslope areas like Lewistown, as well as in between Belt and Geyser, that's where potentially over a half foot of snow accumulation is possible. And then in some of the mountains, we're potentially looking at 1 to 2 feet of snow accumulation just through Saturday evening, with some additional snow accumulation expected as we head into Sunday. Increasing wind tonight along the Rocky Mountain front and then portions of the plains. Strong winds tomorrow along and just east of the Rocky Mountain front. Some gusts up to 80 miles per hour are possible. In the plains, we are going to have widespread gusty winds around tomorrow with wind gusts over 40 miles per hour possible at times. We'll continue to have widespread gusty winds around as we go through tomorrow night. And then Saturday, it's also going to be a gusty day, especially east of I-15, as once again, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour are going to be possible. There's also a high wind warning in effect for portions of Glacier County, portions of Toole County, and portions of Pend Oreille County from 2 a.m. until 12 p.m. on Friday, as gusts up to 65 miles per hour are likely. Tonight, lows are going to be in the teens and the low to mid-20s, and then for tomorrow, highs are going to be in the mid to upper 30s and low to mid-40s.